Tonight, before you go to bed, I want you to picture something simple. You're standing in your kitchen, the lights are dim, and on the counter in front of you are 3 small fruits. Nothing fancy, nothing expensive, nothing difficult to find. But the moment you pick them up, something surprising happens. You begin to realize these little fruits might be doing more for your eyes while you sleep than any pill, supplement, or eye drop ever could. Because here's the truth most seniors never hear: your eyes do their deepest repair at night. When you sleep, your retina finally gets a chance to clean up stress, flush toxins, rebuild protective cells, and restore the moisture and nutrients your eyes lose during the day. And if you give your body the right fuel before bed, especially low-sugar fruits that are rich in antioxidants and gentle on blood sugar, your eyes can repair themselves far more efficiently. But the problem is, most nighttime snacks work against your vision. Crackers, biscuits, sweet fruits, even healthy cereals trigger blood sugar spikes that stiffen the tiny blood vessels in your eyes. Those vessels feed your retina, your macula, and your optic nerve. When they become inflamed or strained at night, your eyes can't recover. And that's when seniors start waking up with dry eyes, blurry vision, pressure, headaches, or that foggy feeling that takes hours to shake off. So what if the solution wasn't another medication, but simply choosing the right fruit before sleep? One that keeps sugar stable, nourishes the retina, hydrates the lens, and supports the brain regions responsible for memory and focus? That's exactly what these 3 nighttime fruits do. And the best part? Each one is low in sugar, high in eye-loving nutrients, and incredibly gentle for seniors over 45. They don't spike insulin, they don't trigger inflammation, and they don't interrupt your sleep. Instead, they help your body do what it naturally wants to do: repair, restore, and rebuild. Now let's start with the first fruit, the one most people overlook, but the one that delivers steady fuel all night long: pears. Pears are often seen as a basic fruit, nothing special, but they are secretly one of the best nighttime snacks for aging eyes. They're loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 pigments your eyes absolutely need to protect the retina from thinning. Most seniors don't know that these pigments are stored inside the macula, the central part of your vision responsible for reading, driving, and recognizing faces. As you age, that macular pigment becomes thinner, weaker, and more vulnerable. Pears help refill that pigment layer naturally. What makes pears even more powerful is their fiber. Seniors often struggle with nighttime blood sugar dips and spikes, especially if they've had a light dinner or eaten too early. Pears prevent that. The fiber slows down digestion so beautifully that your body releases energy slowly, steadily, without any sharp peaks. That stability protects the microvessels behind your eyes, the tiny tubes that carry oxygen to your retina. When those vessels stay calm, your eyes can finally begin their healing cycle. But here's something even more interesting for seniors. Pears contain a unique mix of phytonutrients that soften inflammation inside the eye. If you've ever felt that burning or gritty sensation when you wake up, you know how uncomfortable nighttime dryness can be. Pears help reduce that dryness by supporting your tear glands and improving fluid retention around the lens. That means you don't just wake up with clearer eyes, you wake up with eyes that feel more comfortable. Next comes the second fruit, one that works almost like a natural vitamin C powerhouse for seniors: kiwi. Kiwi is one of the most underrated fruits for eye health, and yet it contains more vitamin C than oranges, more antioxidants than many berries, and a special combination of lutein and zeaxanthin that directly support macular strength. Seniors who eat kiwi at night report better morning clarity, less fogginess, and a noticeable decrease in eye strain. Why does kiwi work so well at night? Because your eyes need vitamin C to regenerate retinal tissue. Throughout the day, your eyes get damaged by blue light, UV exposure, dryness, and constant focusing. Vitamin C acts like a repair crew, patching, cleaning, feeding, and rebuilding. But your body can't store vitamin C for the next day. You need a fresh supply. Eating kiwi before bed delivers that supply exactly when your eyes begin the repair stage. But kiwi has another hidden advantage for seniors: natural melatonin. This isn't the synthetic melatonin sold in bottles. This is a gentle plant-based melatonin that harmonizes perfectly with your sleep cycle. When you sleep deeper, your eyes heal deeper. Poor sleep is one of the top causes of vision decline after 45. Kiwi helps you fall asleep easier and stay asleep longer without grogginess the next morning. Now let's talk about the third fruit, the one that brings the richest, deepest color and some of the strongest eye repair antioxidants found in nature: blackberries. Blackberries contain anthocyanins, which are the dark pigments that protect plants from UV damage. When seniors eat anthocyanins at night, something remarkable happens. The retina absorbs those pigments and uses them to fight oxidative stress. This reduces the wear and tear on the rods and cones, the tiny cells that allow you to see light, color, depth, and movement. Blackberries also support healthy blood flow to the optic nerve. Seniors often complain of sudden pressure sensations or temporary dimming of vision when they stand up or move. These sensations are linked to blood flow and oxygen delivery to the eyes. Blackberries naturally improve circulation without raising sugar levels. Their fiber is gentle, their antioxidants work fast, and their vitamin A content strengthens the cornea while you sleep. And here's what makes blackberries perfect for a nighttime snack. They have one of the lowest sugar counts of any fruit. That means they won't disrupt your sleep, won't spike your insulin, and won't cause inflammation in the morning. Instead, they deliver slow, sustained nourishment, exactly what aging eyes need during nighttime repair. These three fruits, pears, kiwi, and blackberries, form a powerful trio. Each one supports a different part of the eye. Each one works with your sleep cycle, and each one is extremely safe and gentle for seniors. But when you combine them into a nighttime routine, something even more powerful begins to happen. Your eyes finally get a chance to rebuild what the day takes away. As you begin adding these fruits into your nightly routine, you'll start noticing something that surprises many seniors. The improvements show up slowly at first, then suddenly all at once. One morning you might wake up and realize your eyes don't feel as dry. Another morning, the text on your phone looks a little sharper. A week later, you catch yourself realizing that you haven't rubbed your eyes after waking up in days. Small changes, but meaningful ones. The kind that only happen when your body is finally getting the nutrients it needs at the exact time it needs them. That's why nighttime matters so much. During the day, the eye is in survival mode. It's exposed to light, screens, dust, wind, and strain. But at night, especially deep sleep, your eyes shift into maintenance mode. They increase blood flow to the retina. They produce natural tears. They flush out toxins and dead cells. They repair the lens surface, and they strengthen the nerves that send visual signals to your brain. When seniors eat the wrong foods before bed, they interrupt this repair cycle. But when they eat the right fruits, they enhance it. Let's take a deeper look at kiwi, because this fruit works on far more than just vitamin C. Seniors often struggle with something called oxidative stress, a buildup of damaged cells that weaken the retina. Kiwi contains a group of antioxidants called flavonoids that target this stress directly. These flavonoids help slow down the thinning of the macula, which is one of the leading causes of age-related vision decline. They also reduce the little sparks of inflammation that accumulate in the blood vessels behind the eye. But that's not the only benefit seniors report. Many find that eating kiwi before bed supports memory and mental clarity the next morning. That's because vitamin C and antioxidants move through the bloodstream and reach the brain while you sleep. They help repair the tiny nerve pathways responsible for short-term memory, focus, and alertness. Seniors often describe waking up clearer, lighter, or more focused, and that's partly because kiwi helps reduce oxidative stress in the brain as well as the eyes. And remember, kiwi's natural melatonin makes your sleep deeper, calmer, and more restorative. Seniors who often wake up in the middle of the night or struggle to fall asleep find that kiwi helps smooth out the entire cycle. When sleep improves, everything improves. Even eye pressure becomes more stable when you're getting enough deep sleep. Now let's turn back to pears, because this fruit is even more impressive than it seems. Pears are one of the few low-sugar fruits that contains sorbitol, a natural compound that hydrates the eyes from within. When seniors don't drink enough water, especially in the evenings, their eyes dry out overnight. That dryness damages the lens and makes vision blurry in the morning. Pears help pull moisture into the body and keep it there. This reduces morning dryness and protects the outer layer of the eye. Pears are also gentle on digestion, which is important for seniors who experience bloating, acidity, or discomfort from evening snacks. Poor digestion at night can interrupt sleep and indirectly affect eye repair. The fiber in pears cleans the digestive system without overstimulating it. Seniors often notice less heaviness, less heartburn, and better bathroom habits after eating pears consistently for a week or two. But what makes pears truly unique is their ability to support the tiny blood vessels in the eyes. These fragile vessels weaken as we age, especially when blood sugar fluctuates. Stable nighttime glucose helps keep those vessels flexible and strong. Pears deliver that stability naturally. Instead of spiking sugar, they provide slow-release energy that lasts throughout the night. That steady state prevents inflammation and protects the retina from oxidative damage. Now imagine pairing that steady energy with the powerful antioxidants from blackberries. Blackberries contain anthocyanins that act like shields, protecting the retina from light damage and improving contrast sensitivity, the ability to see differences in light and dark, which often weakens with age. Seniors who eat blackberries regularly report that night vision improves, especially in dimly lit rooms. One of the most overlooked benefits of blackberries is their effect on blood flow. The optic nerve needs a constant supply of oxygen-rich blood. When this flow slows down, even for brief moments, seniors may experience vision flickers, shadows, or temporary blurring. Anthocyanins help relax the blood vessels, so oxygen can move more freely to the eyes during sleep. This improves nerve health and supports sharper vision the next day. Another powerful benefit of blackberries is their ability to protect the lens. The lens is what helps your eyes focus. Over time, it becomes cloudy from oxidative stress. Blackberries contain a compound called ellagic acid that helps prevent clouding and supports clearer lens function. This is one reason many seniors feel their eyes look brighter and more awake after adding blackberries into their diet. But there's something else fascinating about these fruits when combined. Each fruit supports a different part of the eye, but together they create a complete nighttime repair system. Pears stabilize, kiwi regenerates, blackberries protect. Seniors who follow this routine often report improvements not only in vision but also in brain function, sleep quality, and overall energy levels. And the best part? You don't need a lot. Just one small serving of each fruit is more than enough. Half a pear, 1 kiwi, and a small handful of blackberries deliver a powerful amount of antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber without overwhelming your system. This is important because seniors don't want heavy foods at night. Light, clean, and nutrient-rich is the goal, exactly what these fruits provide. As your nighttime routine becomes consistent, you'll start to notice deeper, more meaningful changes. Tasks that used to strain your eyes begin to feel easier. Reading becomes more comfortable. Watching TV at night doesn't leave your eyes feeling tired, and that feeling of morning heaviness or fog gradually begins to fade. These are the little signs that your eyes are finally receiving what they've been missing for years. The nutrients they need to recover, the antioxidants that reduce damage, the steady bloodstream that keeps them nourished, the hydration that keeps them moist and comfortable, and the deep sleep that allows healing to happen uninterrupted. As you continue using these 3 fruits at night, something powerful begins to happen inside your body. The nutrients start working together night after night, forming a steady rhythm of repair. Seniors often think healing has to be dramatic or complicated, but the truth is that the body heals through repetition. A little nourishment repeated consistently is far more effective than one big meal or one expensive supplement. And that's why this simple nighttime ritual works so beautifully, because it supports your eyes in the exact way they naturally heal. Let's imagine your night for a moment. You finish dinner, maybe watch some TV, talk with your family, or relax in your favorite chair. As the evening winds down, instead of choosing a sugary snack or something heavy, you take just a few minutes to prepare your fruits. Half a pear, 1 kiwi, a small handful of blackberries. That's all. Seniors often worry about feeling hungry at night, but these fruits have the perfect balance of fiber and hydration to satisfy your body gently without weighing it down. As soon as you eat them, the fruits begin doing their work. The vitamin C from the kiwi starts circulating through your bloodstream, strengthening the delicate tissues of your eyes. The lutein and zeaxanthin from both kiwi and pears begin to settle into your macula, helping it stay strong and sharp. The anthocyanins from the blackberries start protecting your retina like tiny shields, fighting off free radicals that can damage vision overnight. And while all this is happening, your blood sugar stays steady. That's one of the greatest benefits of this fruit combination. Seniors often experience blood sugar drops or spikes late at night, which can disrupt sleep and strain the eyes. These 3 fruits keep your glucose stable, which supports calm blood flow to your eyes, your brain, and your nerves. Stable blood sugar also helps regulate melatonin, making it easier to fall asleep naturally. As you drift into sleep, the deeper healing begins. Your eyes use this time to restore what the day has worn down. The retina flushes out toxins, the optic nerve resets, the lens clears itself of tiny protein deposits that cause cloudiness. The tear glands refill and rebalance, and the antioxidants from your fruits strengthen every cell involved in sight. Seniors who follow this routine often notice that their eyes feel fresher in the morning. Not dry, not tired, not strained. This repair continues throughout the night. Your breathing slows, your heart rate becomes steady, and your body enters the kind of rest that allows true healing. And by the time morning comes, your eyes have done hours of work repairing themselves while you slept, supported by the power of these fruits. Over time, as you make this a gentle habit, the improvements become more noticeable. Seniors often share how reading becomes easier, how digital screens feel less harsh, and how colors look more vibrant. Some notice that they don't need to squint as often. Others feel less pressure behind their eyes when they wake up. Many say that their memory and morning alertness improve as well, because fruits like kiwis support both the eyes and the brain. Your brain benefits from this nighttime ritual almost as much as your eyes do. Vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber support clearer thinking, sharper memory, and better circulation to the areas of the brain responsible for focus, balance, and comprehension. Seniors often describe waking up with a clearer head, less grogginess, and a calmer mind. And that calmness carries throughout the day. One of the most beautiful things about this ritual is how simple and affordable it is. Many seniors believe they need expensive supplements or complicated routines to protect their vision. But nature has already created the perfect foods. Fruits that are low in sugar, high in antioxidants, and gentle enough to be eaten before sleep. Pears, kiwi, and blackberries work together in ways that science is only beginning to fully understand. And yet, the results speak for themselves. To get the most benefit, consistency is key. You don't need to eat all 3 fruits every night. Even 2 nights a week can make a difference. But the more regular you are, the more your eyes will respond. Some seniors like to rotate the fruits. Others enjoy blending them gently into a small evening bowl. Many simply eat them fresh, just as they are. There is no wrong way, as long as you keep the portions light and the timing close to bedtime. If you want to boost this routine even further, you can support your eyes with small habits that blend naturally with this fruit ritual. Dimming lights 1 hour before bed reduces strain on the retina. Avoiding screens helps protect melatonin production. Drinking a small glass of water ensures your eyes stay hydrated overnight. Even closing your eyes for a few minutes before bed and letting them relax helps remove some of the tension they hold throughout the day. Over the weeks, as your body gets used to this nighttime nourishment, your eyes will begin to show you just how much they appreciate it. You may wake up seeing slightly clearer details. You may feel less sensitivity to light. You may experience more stable vision throughout the day, and you may even notice that your eyes feel younger, more alive, more comfortable, more refreshed. These are the signs that your eyes are healing. These are the signs that you're giving your body exactly what it needs, and these are the signs that your small, simple choices are creating long-term changes. Pears giving your eyes hydration and stability. Kiwi repairing your retina with powerful vitamin C. Blackberries strengthening your vision with anthocyanins. 3 fruits working silently through the night. 3 fruits, chosen with intention. 3 fruits, trusted by nature to help protect your vision as you age. And every night you continue this ritual, your eyes grow stronger. This is your moment to take control of your eye health, gently, naturally, and consistently. Your vision is one of your most precious gifts, and these small steps can help you protect it for years to come.